In this part of our overview of Oil and Gas Sales 101, Dick and I will focus on the key activities in the proposal development process. These activities should occur starting from the time an inquiry is received to the time the completed proposal is submitted to the client. We will briefly discuss the points shown in the following outline. As noted earlier, the sales and proposal process consists of a series of critical steps, all of which need to be carefully planned and executed to achieve an award. The development of the physical proposal document is the time-consuming and costly step in the process. It is the one document which provides the client with all the necessary information for them to decide to proceed with further discussions with the bidder. From a contractor's perspective, the proposal should define the scope of work to be delivered and the associated cost and schedule to deliver that work. If executed as proposed, the contractor should expect to achieve the projected financial results. A poorly defined proposal can result in a large financial loss, have the potential to lead to legal litigation, and cause a loss of reputation with both the client and within the industry. The proposal process consists of two key activities: key meetings and major proposal preparation. Each of these activities has a series of critical steps themselves with critical key meetings occurring at the critical steps during the proposal preparation activities. First, we will discuss the key meetings and their associated activities. There are 9 key meetings which should occur during the preparation of a major proposal. For smaller proposals, a modified approach to what may be appropriate to satisfy the need to produce a quality proposal, for example, either fewer meetings or fewer activities, may be done. There are 9 key meetings that should occur during the preparation of a major proposal as seen in this slide. We will now discuss these meetings in more detail.